Want to simplify data flow in SwiftUI? Learn how stacked data structures can streamline your app's navigation, undo action, and state management in just a few minutes. So the structure we'll be implementing will allow last in, first out functionality. So this is the app that we will create. At the moment, David is the first person at the top of the stack. But if I want to add another person to the top of the stack, I can enter the person's name in the text field name field, enter the age, 20, then add the person. So now Andrew is at the top of the stack. If I want to filter or search for all the people in the stack, I just type in the search box, type a character, for example, E, click on the find by name button, and then it finds all the names of people that contains the letter E. Alice, Charlie, Andrew. So the next thing I'll show you how to do is to remove the person from the stack. Since Andrew is the first one on top of the stack, if I click on the remove top person button, this person will be removed from the stack. Now David is the first person in the stack, and just to show that Andrew has been removed from the stack, I'll type in Andrew's name in the search button, and it doesn't exist, as you can see. So this is the app that we will create in this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll start to add some of the GUI elements to the content view. The first variable we need to add is an @state private var, which is a new instance of the stack view model. We can delete lines 15, add a navigation view, vstack, The next thing we need to do is to add a text element. The purpose of this text element is to show which person is at the top of the stack at the moment. So it will show the person's name. Top person dot name. We missed out something. I need to do some unwrapping. So on line 17, add another vstack. And then we have to unwrap the view model. If let top person equals view model peak person. So we need to use the peak method to get the person that's at the top of the stack. And now we can display the name of the person that's at the top of the stack. Add some style to the font weight, dot semi-bold, foreground color, primary, else, if there's nothing in the stack, then we display a message that the stack is empty. Stack is empty. Font title 2. Foreground color grey. After line 33, we have some padding, background, the color will be white, border radius 12, shadow, color, black, opacity 0.1, radius 8, x0 and y4. Padding dot horizontal, and then what do we need to do next? Yeah, we need to create another stack to enable the user to enter a new person. So this is the input section. Stack, spacing 15, stack, text name, foreground color, dot secondary, frame width 60, alignment dot leading. And then to enable the person to enter their name, we need to create a text field, enter name, text, The value will be bound to the view model dot new person name attribute dot padding dot corner, background, color system dot gray 6 dot corner radius 8. Next thing we need to do, copy our H-stack that we just created so that we can create a H-stack for the age to enable the user to enter the age of the person. So we just paste the H-stack code anywhere after line 50 and then change name to age. Enter age, person. On line 45, that should be person name. Line 57, yeah, that's correct, new person age. And then for the keyboard type, it will be number pad. And everything else stays the same. I'll just compile it. In next week's tutorial, we will continue to add more GUI elements to our content view. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.